Thank you for joining in, and I have another review here today, some new art supplies. And it's been a long time since I've used colored pencils. Normally I use the watercolor ones, but here we have some colored pencils from Woomer. And this set has 72 different colors. So we have some swatches on the back there. And it does say good light fastness, soft artist quality with saturated colors. It has this really nice orange tin. And then we have the trays here. You can lift up the top tray, and then you have more colors underneath. And I just had to switch mine around to get the full view. My desk is a little on the small side, but so here we have the individual pencils. Oh, you can buy these open stock too, which is nice. So if you run out of a color, and yeah, so there's the light fast information there, and the name. So that's nice too. It has the color name on there. And I did notice when I was taking off this paper here that there's a swatch sheet on the inside, so you can just cut that off. And then again, we have the color names and then some light fast information here, and everything is numbered, each color. So we have a system here of like 1 to 5. And I'm going to show, I like to use mine on top of my watercolors. So that's what I'm going to do here. I have that cute little mushroom, little painting here. And it looks a little dull. It's okay. It could definitely use some extra layers, a little bit more with the shadow areas. That's what I'm going to do right here. One of the first things that I noticed is that these pencils are very soft. And they are easy to layer and blend out, which is really nice. So I'm just starting off with a little bit of the lighter red here. And then, so this is comparable to like a burnt sienna. Just a little bit with the shadow areas here. And I'm just gonna blend it in through that lighter brown and go back and forth between a few different colors here. Another thing I wanted to mention that's important is that my whole time while I was filling in my painting here, not one pencil broke, which is really, really good. And a good tip is that I avoid sharpening to them. It's like some people will get them like so pointy that that little tip always breaks off. I recommend like not doing that. You know, if you need to sharpen your pencil, just do it, 2, 3 times, look at it, and then avoid that super thin point at the end. But yeah, these pencils are very nice. No breakage whatsoever. Here I'm going to layer a few colors just because I couldn't find one that was an exact match with the stem of the mushroom there. So I have that peachy shade and then the one that's a little bit more of an ochre. And then just using like a gentle touch with the that like ochre raw sienna there in my hand. I figured, yep, that's pretty close, just for some shading and shadow areas. So you can be sure to always swatch out your colors on a little scrap sheet like I did, and then you can test a little bit of blending there and make sure that you actually like the color before you put it down on your artwork. Overall, I think this is a really great budget set of the colored pencils, especially if you're just starting out looking to try something new. Certainly lots of colors to choose from and great quality. I'm going to leave some links down below if you're interested. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you later.